Hi, Mark. My name is Kylie. I'm with Ring and SEO and Digital Marketing. I'm a local marketing or digital marketing agency right here out of Jackson, Michigan. I found your ad on Craigslist and I wanted to shoot this short video over to you. I talked with Lauren last night and she gave me your information here. So I just wanted to shoot this short video for you. It should give you some free tips and tricks on how to increase your online presence. And if at any time you need assistance with this, please feel free to reach out. And I'd also love some feedback after you've watched this if you don't mind. There's three things I'm going to talk to you about today. First one is content. Second one will be backlinks. And third one will be citations. These are the three top things that Google looks for in the ranking process, and they help you grow organically and with your Google My Business page to start receiving more business at a pretty fast rate. I'm going to talk about content first since I'm on a top competitor's website. Here we've got Frick Plumbing and Mechanical. This is their website page here. Content isn't just the words that are on a page, but content is also how images are saved. So having images on your website saved as buyer intent keywords and key phrases is going to help Google know where you want to be seen, right? So what you want to be seen for. So focusing on keywords and key phrases that people type in when they're looking for services in your service area is going to help you out a lot. Make sure that those keywords are throughout your content, so the words on your page. Like I said, saved, the images are saved as these keywords, and then also it's what's behind the images. So site titles, alt tags, meta tags, permalinks, all these things have something to do with the ranking process. So making sure those keywords are within all of that is what's going to help bring you to the top first page of Google. Second thing we're going to talk about is citations. Citations have everything to do with your Google My Business page. You might be asking yourself, what are citations? Well, citations are anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number are listed through various directories throughout the web. Some examples might be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Yellow Pages. So looking at your competitors and using tools to see how many citations they have and where they're getting their citations from, and then piggybacking off of them and then going a little bit above. So if they've got 40 or 50 citations, then you want to have 10 to 20 more than them. And then continue to pay attention to that throughout time, especially if you start to see drops in your ranking. So once you get up to that front page of Google, make sure that you every 30 days you're looking at this and make sure that no one came in and outdid you. You want to it's a constant competition of who has more, right? So pay attention to that. If you have a website already, that's great. If not, and you're thinking of creating one in the future, you can certainly utilize these tools. If you have a Google My Business page or you don't, these things apply as well. So citations are for your GMB or Google My Business page. Those are, that's what gets you in this top three or the map pack here. You have to rank organically with your website in order to be in this Google My map pack here. So content is also involved with your Google My Business page. So having a good description with keywords throughout it. And then also images is the same thing. So having your images on your Google My Business page saved as buyer intent, keywords, and key phrases is what's going to help Google push you to the top when all these things are typed in. We're going to move over to backlinks. Well, we were going to, but we snapped out of this here. There we go. Okay, we're back. All right, so I put Frick into this tool that I use. This is a paid tool called Ahrefs, and this gives me an overview of the power going to a specific website. So when you're building a website and trying to grow your business, we want to look at your top competitors and try to see what they're doing so that we know how to best utilize these keywords and what keywords are getting the most traffic, right? Backlinks is what I wanted to talk to you about now. And backlinks are right here, this number here. So they have 72 backlinks coming from 28 referring domains. A backlink is really just a link from one person's website to another website telling Google, hey, this website is legit and they're not spammy, and it gives you power. So Google knows that you're a good source and that you're trustworthy, right? So not all backlinks are created equal. So making sure that you're pulling links from domains that have everything to do with plumbing or any other services you offer, like heating, drain cleaning, etc., and not, putting them just aimlessly wherever, like ice cream shops and stuff. Google's not going to like that. It's going to see it as spammy. So it's going to actually make your ranking a lot lower. So you want to make sure you watch where these are coming from and pay close attention to that. While we're on this tool here, I wanted to just take a second to show you this company in particular's organic keywords. And what I like to do is look at this keyword difficulty level. And what this is going to tell me how quickly you can rank for a specific keyword. These keywords difficulty level range from 0 to 100, 0 being the fastest, so easiest to rank for. Then we look at volume. So we want to see, obviously we don't want to look at their company name. We want to be looking at buyer intent keywords. So, this one, Affordable Plumbing Grand Rapids, that might be a company name. We'd have to look into that. I think it actually might be. And then Frook Plumbing, that's their company name. So we don't want to use any of these, but let's find something here. I could use an example. Plumber Charlotte, Michigan Plumbers. I mean, this one would be, it would rank fairly quick. It's only got 30 volume, and that's pretty vague. So I would stay away from that one. I wanted to find one as a good example here for you. And these right here, like plumbing and mechanical, this is a global keyword. So they're only, it's typed in 10 times globally. So they're not going to see a whole lot from that. Michigan Plumbing Lansing, that's probably a company. Plumbers East Lansing. So now we're getting up into some more difficult keywords, but you can look at a whole, the list of competitors. You've got, probably 15, 20 competitors out there, and you can look and see what keywords they're using. And then you could also do different service locations. So if you don't just, service Lansing and you service surrounding areas, then going in and getting started with these low 0 to 5 keyword difficulty levels, finding that volume so you can start seeing some money come from this. And then you can focus on those higher up numbers that are going to take a little bit more time to rank, but you might be seeing more volume from. So that's just kind of a brief description of what we do here. I hope that this helps you out in some way with your business. It helps bring you more business for the year of 2021. I wish you a happy new year, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thanks, Mark.